Someone made a comment concerning this kind of problem. He said he finds it difficult to solve problems that does not have equality sign. And today I have come to show you how to do it. And please just hang on and be patient till the end. I'm going to follow every step. Now listen. When there is no equality sign, it means it is not an equation. It is just an expression. Now, there is nothing different actually, but when you have equality sign, your idea is to find the value of y. But when there is no equality sign, all you need to do is to break down or simplify. Now, because you see a fraction, this is a fraction, this is a, whenever you have a kind of question like this, a fraction, first of all, factorize. When there is nothing else to factorize, the next thing you do is to do what? Take LCM. So if there is anything to factorize, you factorize. Right now, this one I'm supposed to factorize. So let's go there and factorize. We call it difference of 2 squared. And to factorize this, I'm going to have y minus 1 or bracket y plus 1. I have factorized it. Therefore, inside this place, I'm going to have y minus 1 and y plus 1. All right, so let us start taking our LCM. I'm starting with y plus 1. So y plus 1, this into this will be 1. This into this will be 1. So we have y minus 1 left and y minus 1 left. This is just a multiplication, that dot. So the next thing I'm going with y minus 1. So y minus 1 into 1 cannot go, just 1. Y minus 1 into y minus 1 is 1. This one is 1. Therefore, the LCM is going to be y plus 1 and y minus 1. So this is the LCM of this whole expression. So now that I know the LCM, I'm going to solve it. Now let's go to the next step. Let me clean. Now, since I have done this, remember we have found the LCM, and our LCM is this. So I'm going to have, our LCM is y plus 1 and y minus 1. This is our LCM. Y plus 1 multiplied by y minus 1 divided by y plus 1. Y plus 1 will cancel y plus 1. So we have y minus 1. Y minus 1 multiplied by 1 is going to be y minus 1. So this is minus. I'll put my minus. Now, y minus 1 will cancel this y minus 1, remaining y plus 1. So this is going to be 2 bracket y plus 1. Coming to this one, this is plus y plus 1 bracket multiplied by y minus 1. This and this will cancel because this same thing and this same thing are the same thing. They will cancel, remaining what? 3. There is no equality sign, so let's keep going. Let's open the bracket to have y minus 1 minus 2 times y is going to be minus 2y. Minus 2 times minus 1 is going to be minus 2. Then this is plus 3. There is no need for this. Let me open the bracket. All over y plus 1, y minus 1. So at this point, I'm going to find like terms, collecting of like terms, okay? So I am now going to find, I'm going to do collection of like terms. So I'm going to look for numbers that are alike. I will add them or subtract them depending on the sign before them. So this is y, this is plus y, and this is minus y. And that's going to be plus 1 minus 2 is going to be minus y. Okay? Now I have minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3. Okay, so at this point, now I have simplified everything, that everything gave me minus y. And then I will bring down the denominator. So this is y plus 1. Then y minus 1. This is the answer when you simplify this. We can't simplify any further. And this is the answer. Thank you for being part of this class. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe.